Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Cloud of Champion. In today's video, we will quickly create Microsoft Azure 30 days free account. So let's get started. Type here Microsoft Azure free account. So the first link you will see is create your Azure free account today. Click on that, click start free. Sign up sign up with your maybe sign in with your existing account, or if you don't have, use a different account. Create a new account and then sign in. So I already have account, I'll just use it, my existing account. You have to click check these two boxes, then you will see what you will get is popular services free for 12 months, 55 service already free, I mean always free, 13,300 credit to use in your first 30 days. No automatic charges after your credit is over. We'll ask you if you want to continue with pay as you go. If you do, you will only pay if you use more than the free amount of service. So in this process you have to add your credit card. So basically when your free service ends, like 30 days ends, so after that uh, the plan will automatically go will get changed to pay as you go. So pay as you go means whenever you use any service only for that much amount of time, for that amount of time only you will have to pay the price. So it's not like that, that if you are not using any service still you will have to pay an amount of charge. So and that too, if you want, if you are enabling from from your account, only then also what you can do, you can remove your credit card, then you can use to to better save from your side, like no amount should be charged from your credit card. So click next, then add your details like phone number or text me, add your phone number, add verification code. Once phone number is verified, you have to provide your credit card details. So just put all the details into a credit card number, then CVV expiry, then address line. Fill up your details, click sign up. Amount of 2 rupees will be charged from your credit card, but it will get credited back to your account. So don't worry about that. Once this is done, you will see this page. You have to agree both the points, and then next click sign up. You can enable multi-factor authentication to protect your account. I'll click next. You will see sign in page. Put your password. You will see a page like this, and then you will see this page. You are ready to start with Azure. Click go to Azure portal, select your account. So here you will see get started with Azure. This is all the uh, navigations information, how to do how to navigate into your Azure. So get started in Azure portal, start, get more, architect your Azure solutions. So you can close this, it's not an issue. So now you can see you will able to see multiple services. Then like if you want to click virtual or create virtual machine, click here, click create. You will see you already have a subscription free trial. So this is your 30 days free trial. Once this ends, you will not charge any amount unless you switch this subscription to pay as you go. So you have multiple services. If you go to like all resources, not all resources, into the marketplace. Yeah, so here you will see category of services. So yeah, that's it in this video. And thanks, and keep watching for more related videos. Thank you.